ako, nag-aabang ako ng bus. So, gusto ko lang sabihin sa inyo na lagi kayong maging grateful kung ano man yung mga pinagdadaanan nyo sa buhay. So, every morning, always say that I am grateful. Start your day with a positive affirmation para yung mood mo, ma-boost siya into positive. So, maganda yung wake up mo. Maganda yung lagi nasasabihin mo sa sarili mo na I am grateful, I am blessed, I am great, or I am positive. So, at least na-attract mo yung vibes or yung energy mo, nagiging positibo siya. Yun lang guys. Thank you. Please don't forget to hit like and share. It's Mel, always saying stay motivated in life every day. Always smile.